It's Tuesday, the very last day of February. And it's beautiful. It's 70 plus here, so it's more like spring than the end of winter. But anyway, just lovely. No complaints. We got in some new sweet little matchboxes. Remember the in a matchbox that I showed you earlier? Well, I have some new ones as well. So these are fun little gifts. Lots of nice little things for sending someone you love, a surprise thing, and maybe something for Easter. So here's one. It's called You're Flippin' Fantastic. And it's a penguin. And will you be my penguin? With a little felted penguin on the inside. I mean, how cute is that? These are all $14.50. This one is Some Bunny Loves You. And of course, on the inside, You Make Me Hoppy with a little bunny on the inside. So cute. Love that. Then there's the big fat hedgehog with a hedgehog on the inside. My point is, you are amazing. Little hedgehog, always upside down. Little hedgehog. So cute. You need to have one of these. Little love gift to somebody. You are totally awesome. Of course, we have a toad. You Make Me Hoppy. So cute. Then we have the You Are Pretty Much Perfect with the kitty cat. 100% possum, right, instead of awesome. And then they've added cross stitch just to say, this one Matchbox says, and it's a stitch in time will reveal a special message for you. So you have the floss and the cross stitch, and there's a needle in there, and the directions for what it's a surprise. Whoa, it's a surprise message on the inside. So that's very fun. And there's another one called Love Letters, and it has the little hoop. Honestly, how tiny is this? Has the little hoop and the floss and a little jar with the hook and the screw that it all goes onto. It has the cross stitch. What do you call that? Cross stitch fabric on the inside, and then it has you can make. It's a alphabet, so you can do all kinds of secret messages on the inside. So how fun is that? Just something fun and different. I love that. It's gift season coming up, right? We've got St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Mother's Day. Oh my gosh, just keeps going on and on. All right, I think that's all I have for you today. I will see you tomorrow. Let's see if March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb, or comes in like a lamb and goes out with a lion. I think it's going to be more like a lamb tomorrow. So anyway, we'll check it out. I will see you in next month.